Good morning everyone. Myself Prathamesh Lohogavkar and I am working as a physical education teacher in a Kekewag English School Saraswati Nagar. So today I am here to show you some abductor muscle exercise. Okay, so what is mean by abductor muscle or what is the abductor muscle? So basically it is a inner thigh muscle, or what we called it is a growing muscle. So do you know the abductor muscle is a cover almost 20 to 25% leg muscles. Basically it is an inner thigh muscle. So we are not going to work separately, but we are going we are going to do some specific exercise for the abductor muscle or inner thigh muscle. So that reason I'm going to use some equipments. So let's see what I have. It's called a resistance band. Okay, there is no need to purchase this type of equipment. I have this type of equipment or a resistance band, so I'm going to use this band. And if you have a ball like football or basketball, you can use it. But once again I'm going to tell you, there is no need to purchase any specific equipment for this exercise. Okay, so let's start the exercise. So basically my first exercise is leg raises. Okay, so that reason I'm going to use this resistance band. Okay, there are 4 to 5 level of this resistance band which we're going to use. Okay, now I'm going to add this band. Okay, now I'm going to loop it now. Let's see what type of exercise we are going to do. Okay, so you need to take a more than shoulder level distance between your leg. Okay, now start. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now leg change. Okay, we are going to do 6 repetition with the left leg. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now same, but now it is front or a forward stretch. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Now leg change. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now we are going to do some changes in an exercise. So let's see what we have next. I'm going to do some squats with the help of ball and resistance band. So do you know how to perform squats? So basically we are going to do squats, okay, with the help of ball. Now I'm going to push that ball between my legs. Okay, set it proper. Now you need to push the ball inside. 1 2. Now sideways. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So this is squats which is we are going to do with the help of ball and resistance band. Now another type of squats I'm going to perform now. It is basically squat plus lunges. So let's see how to perform. Okay, 1, 2, 3. One squat, now one lunge. Once again, one squat, one lunge, one squat, one lunge. So this is the resistance band which we're going to use to activate our abductor muscle, or what we call inner thigh muscle. Okay, so once again, squat, lunge, squat, lunge, now one more exercise to activate our abductor muscle is so this is the heaviest band in this set of 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now leg change once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now after that, one more set I'm going to do with the squat, because my inner thigh muscle is now activate, so I need to take some loosening with this help of exercise. Okay, so sideways I'm going to show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much.